Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So the CAS meeting international went down and we did have some Jamaican participants. We had Kishane Thompson line up in the men's 100-meter heats. Now, as you know, Kishane Thompson right now is being prepared for one of fast runs. So in this heat, he ran a fantastic, sub 10, 9.99 seconds to be the fastest qualifier and also a new meeting record. Now, as I said, he's been prepared for one of fast runs, which means that he did not take up his spot in the finals. Now, moving over to the women's 100 meters, we had quite a few Jamaicans on show here. Now, in a new meeting record time, again for a Jamaican, Jonielle Smith took the women's 100 meters running 11.18 seconds. Serena Cole finding some late season form running 11.25 seconds for a second. Crystal Soley was third, 11.30 seconds. Tina Clayton was fourth, 11.44 seconds. And Jura Levy was fifth, running 11.45 seconds. And Tia Clayton was sixth, running 11.50 seconds. Now, in the women's 100-meter hurdles, we had Amoi Brown, take part there. And she's been running fantastic this season. She's the new breakout hurdler for the MVP Track Club. And she ran 12.73 seconds to take the win. Also, a new meeting record. Marion Foree from South Africa ran 12.82 seconds for second, and Talia Bonds from the United States ran 12.86 seconds for third. Now, trackers, that is it. As usual, sound off in the comment section below, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in a next one.